You won't believe this. A Tesla owner pulled into a supercharger and spent 30 minutes trying to make it work. And the twist? Her car almost died because she didn't know the one step every new EV driver must learn. Let's break this down. Fast. A TikTok video from user OrSherryPage1 is going viral after she admitted she had no idea how to use a public Tesla supercharger. Her words, "I'm not smart enough for an electric car." This single moment ignited a massive conversation. Are EVs really as intuitive as advertised? Today, we analyze the truth behind the confusion. Strengths. Tesla superchargers are designed to be nearly automatic. You pull in, align the port, press the button on the connector, plug in, done. The vehicle authenticates your account, and charging begins instantly. It's fast, streamlined, and for most owners, completely painless. But here's the real catch. If your home charger isn't installed yet, relying on slow level 1 charging means gaining only 2 to 3 miles of range per hour. Combine that with unfamiliarity at a public station, and suddenly the easy EV experience becomes stressful, especially for long-distance trips. There's also the learning curve: charging port placement, connector lock, app verification, and payment setup. One missed step, charging doesn't start. According to early reports, EV adoption will depend heavily on first-time user experience. Our prediction: automakers and charging networks will double down on ultra-simple onboarding, guided tutorials, and in-car instructions to prevent exactly this kind of moment. If they don't, new buyers may hesitate, and stories like this will spread fast. Here are the takeaways. 1. EV charging is simple once you learn the sequence. 2. Home charging setup is critical for stress-free ownership. 3. Education will define the next wave of EV adoption. If this helped, drop a like. Now tell me, do you think EVs are intuitive enough for first-time users? I spent 30 minutes trying to make it work.